Hey guys, welcome back. A perfume embodies who we are and boosts our confidence on a daily basis. A key step in any beauty routine, perfume is now an essential part of our everyday lives. How can you choose a perfume that showcases your personality and puts a spring in your step? One thing's for sure, your perfume should reflect your personality and leave you feeling incredibly confident. To help you make a decision, let's take a closer look at the different olfactory fragrance families. These 6 categories express your character and your mood. It's up to you to choose what you want to reveal about yourself. 1. Hesperide, synonymous with freshness and lightness. Citrus fragrances from this family are perfect for dynamic, inspiring, and cheerful personalities. 2. Floral, iris, jasmine, lily of the valley, perfect for affectionate, happy people. 3. Chyper, bergamot, rose, patchouli. These stimulating yet elegant fragrances are ideal for those with strong and authentic personalities. 4. Oriental, musk, spices, vanilla. These muted fragrances reveal seductive, enigmatic, and sensual personalities. 5. Aromatic, lavender, rosemary, sage. These scents are perfect for extroverted and energetic people. 6. Woody, patchouli, cedar, sandalwood. These notes reveal an adventurous and daring spirit. Choose a perfume by notes. Choosing a perfume is very personal and becomes even more complicated when you have a multifaceted personality, sometimes discreet or exuberant, rather innocent or resolutely femme fatale. A perfume has a complex 3-level structure. This olfactory pyramid gradually reveals the perfume's different notes. Top notes. These volatile notes provide the initial scent as soon as the fragrance is sprayed. They often correspond to citrus or aromatic notes. Middle notes. As their name suggests, these sensual notes reflect a perfume's true personality, only appearing after several minutes. They are often floral, fruity, or even spicy. Base notes. These are the last notes to emerge and linger for several hours after the scent has been sprayed. They give depth to the fragrance and are often woody or balsamic. So before choosing a perfume, you need to understand about the perfume notes as well as its composition. Next time you pass by to try different fragrances, take your time, learn the entire composition, see what it does with you on an emotional level, and let go of your prejudices about certain notes. That's it for this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.